Hi, welcome to Guarantee RV. My name is Kirk Blair, Captain Kirk, and I'm here to help you out and find out a nice unit out here in Guarantee. This is a 2017 179 QB. It's a Keystone Springdale. It's actually a nice unit. I'm going to go ahead and kind of walk around the outside and we'll go inside and show you about it. It has two propane tanks up here on the front. And it's also the metal sided. It's called stick and tin. They're still making it this way. This is a pre-owned inventory. It's a 2017. It actually has a front bed and a rear dinette. But here's a nice storage all the way across the front there. And as we move down the side, it does have an outdoor utility shower, Sani flush, which is great for your black tank flush. And it also kind of has this bonus storage on the outside. As far as I'm concerned, you can never have enough storage for all your outdoor and your camping gear needs. So we kind of make our way around it. You got the bumper, spare tire on that, big nice back window, and I'll show you the dinette on the inside. Outdoor speakers, power awning that runs about the length of the unit. Let's go ahead and jump inside. It is a 17-foot model, so it's really not huge as far as tip-to-tip measurement. Right when you come in, you have your bedroom right here to the right. You have your kind of corner bed with closets and storage around. And then as you make your way around the entire unit here, you got your bathroom. Decent sized bathroom with some storage and some counter space. And as you make your way, you kind of come through the galley kitchen here. You have your kitchen, your stovetop, dual sink, everything you need here in the kitchen. Your microwave, it does have stainless appliances. Your fridge is right here to your right. Decent sized Dometic fridge. And you have your entertainment center, TV hookups, and behind me here with this nice fishbowl effect is your dinette. And you have lots of nice light, lots of windows. And this too makes a bed back here in the back, but this would make a great couples trailer. It's not huge, but it has everything you kind of need, which means it's also lighted as dual axle. It does have the braking axles on it as well. And if there's any other trailers or anything here at Guarantee you'd like to see, I'm more than happy to help you. Captain Kirk, my cell phone is 541-601-8742. This or anything here at Guarantee, I'm happy to help. We'll have you a great day.